Hello. Hope you're doing good today. So, the 4 midnight songs that I'm going to be singing today are going to be Snow on the Beach, You're on Your Own, Kid, Midnight Rain, and Question. So here they are. I saw flags of what could have been nice, but it might just have been you passing by unnoticed to me. Life is emotionally a buzz I've in time can't stop me quite like you did it. I did it. My flight was awful. Thanks for asking me, but thanks for asking me. I'm glued thanks to you. And it's like snow on the beach, where but fucking beautiful, flying in the streets. Actually. And it's like snow on the beach, barefoot, fucking beautiful, flying in the dream, stars by a pocket full. You wanting me tonight feels impossible, but it's coming down. No sound is all a sound, like snow on the beach, like snow on the beach, like snow on the beach. The scene feels like once I saw on the screen. I search aurora boreal in green. I never seen someone live within, blurring out my profanity. My smile is like I Afraid the jigs and I don't even dare to wish you, but your eyes are flying like saucers from other planet. Now I'm all for you like Janet. Can this be a real thing, can it? And are we falling like snow on the beach? We're but fucking beautiful, flying in a dream, stars in a pocket full. You wanna keep tonight is impossible. It's coming down, it's coming down, no down. It's all a sound like snow on the beach. Let's go. Summer went. Now, for the next song, you're on your own, kid. Summer went away, still gearing you, still the yearning wastes. I played it cool with the best of them. I wait patiently, he's gonna notice me. It's okay, we're the best of friends. Anyway, I hear it in your voice. You're smoking with your boys. I touch my phone as if it's your face. I didn't choose this down. I dream of getting out. There's just one who can make me stay all my days. From sprinklers splashes to fireplace ashes, I waited just to see your face. I searched to see you there. I'm sorry. From sprinklers and splashes to fireplace ashes, I waited just to see you there. I searched the party for better bodies, just to learn that you never cared, that you never cared. On your own, kid. You've always have been. I see the greatest count. So long, Daisy May. I picked up petals, he loves me not. Something different bloomed, riding in my room. I play my songs in the parking lot. I'll run away. I'll run away. From sprinklers, splashes to fireplace ashes, I call the taxi to take me there. I searched the party for better bosses, just to let you dream that my dreams are there. You're on your own, kid. You've always have been. the next song, Midnight Rain. Rain, he wanted it. He wanted it comfortable. I wanted that thing. He wanted a bride. I was making my own name. Chasing nothing. He stayed the same. All of me changed like midnight. My time was a wasteland, full of cages, full of fences, matching queens and big tenders. But for some it was paradise. My boys wasn't much touch. One touch. A slow motion love potion, jumping on things in the ocean. I broke his heart cause he was nice. He was sunshine, I was midnight rain. He wanted it comfortable, I wanted that thing. He wanted a bride, I was making my own name. Chasing that thing, he chased that, he stayed the same. All of me changed like midnight. All like midnight. It came like a postcard. Perfect shiny families, holidays, peppermint candy. But for him it was every day. I peers through the window. Time travels, all the love we unraveled, and the life I gave away. He was sunshine, I was midnight rain. He wanted comfortable, I wanted that thing. He wanted a bride, I was making my own name. My own name, chasing that rain. Sometimes we all get just what we wanted, just what we wanted. And he never thinks of me. Catch when I'm on TV, except when I'm on TV. I guess sometimes we all get some kind of haunted, some kind of haunted. And I never think of him, except midnights like this. Except when midnights like this. Now for the last song for today, Question. Big city, wrong choices. We had one thing going on. I swear that it was something, cause I don't remember. A neighbor who I was before you painted all my nights. A coffee, I have searched 4 cents, 4 cents. One thing after another fucking situation, circumstances, miscommunications. And I have to say, by the way, I may have some explanations. Can I ask you a question? It was one thing after another, fucking politics and gender wars, and you're not sure. I don't know. I got swept away in the great. I may like to have a conversation. Can I ask you a question? Second best after that meteoric strike, and what's that that I heard, that you're still with her. That's nice, and I'm sure that's suitable and right, but tonight can I ask you a question? Did you have someone kiss you in a crowded room? And every single one of your friends was making fun of you. But 15 seconds later they were laughing too. Then what did you do? Did you leave her house in the middle of the night? Did you wish you put up more of a fight? I hope you enjoyed this. Love you guys. Hope to see you soon.